What's up, guys? We got a Land Cruiser Toyota 2025, 26. Here's the dash cam installation. No wire showing anywhere. Okay, this is how we do it. Get out of the car. That's how it comes out. And then since this glass pops up, we put the camera underneath the other one. Okay, that's how we did it. Little wire showing. Okay, we go through this rubber boot so you don't see any wires like that. Okay, it's a little more work, but it's professionally done. That way everybody's happy and no wire is showing anywhere. Okay. And that's pretty much it. This one, when you whoever's in the market to get a dash cam, you buy the dash cam from Amazon. You pick which one you want, or the actual website of the manufacturer, whichever way you want to go. You give us a call. We only do the labor only. We don't supply cameras for customers. We don't keep them in stock because there's so many brands, and for warranty, the customer has to keep the box and the warranty with Amazon and whatnot. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. You give us a call. We're in Miami. We'll come out to you. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And a lot of times, if we're not super busy, we hook it up with the phone and we go over we've done so many brands that we already know how to hook it up to the Wi-Fi. It's not hard at all. The Apple guy used, but a lot of people are not savvy like that, so we take care of them. And the screen goes into screensaver. That way at nighttime while you're driving, it doesn't bother you. Right now the car is running, but when you turn off the car, the camera goes into the parking mode. If you want parking mode, some people don't want parking mode. That means the camera stays running for a little while.
Parking recording started.
See how it tells you parking recording started? So some people want the parking mode, some people don't. This particular guy, he wanted parking mode, but there's a lot of folks that just want the camera to turn off when you turn off the car. They just want it for accident. There's a few that, they have people there where they live that they think that they messing around with their vehicles and whatnot. So and then you can set up the parking mode. All right. Numbers again is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.